if everybody pay attention to your mouths. Which board will that be on? The vowel board or the consonant board? Point to it. No talking. Point to the board. Why is it a consonant? What's happening in your mouth? Is your mouth an open or is there blocking it? Something's blocking it, so it'll be on the consonant side. Let's detect where we're going to find it on the sound wall together. Okay, is one of our, we haven't talked much about these, one of our nasal sounds. You can feel it in the back of your throat here. Okay, so it is one of our nasal sounds. Everybody stop. Okay, ready for our lowercase m. So active listening, you're looking at me when I'm talking. So your pencils are not on your paper. Your pencils are up, and you're watching me. I can tell Grace is actively listening. I can tell Dylan is actively listening. Okay, are you writing? No, you're following along. So with the lowercase m, watch me. Do you see the dot?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to start here. We're going to go down. Then you're going to go back up and around. Do you stop there?
No.
Nope, you're going to go back up and around again. So, watch me. I'll do it again. You're going to start at the dot. Watch me. Start at the dot. Go down, back up and around, and then up and around again. Is this an M?
Yeah.
No. What if I do that?
No.
No. We're going to start. You're going to start at the dot. Do you start down here? No, you start up here at the dot. Go down, back up and around, up and around. Okay? Go ahead. And then, actually, I'm going to give you the uppercase M instruction too, and then I'll let you do it again. So, uppercase M. We're going to start at the dot at the top. You're going to go down. Do you see that line I have? Don't do it. You're actively listening to me, so should you be doing it on your paper? No. You're going to go straight down. Then, you're going to come back up and go this way and make a V almost, which is right down here. You're going to go diagonal line to the right, and then diagonal line up to the top, and then back down. Is this an M?
No.
That's a McDonald's logo. That's not how we write our M's. Okay? Is this an M? Do we start at the bottom? No, you start at the top. Pick your pencil up, come back down, up, down. Okay? Go ahead and do your, I did it too, and it's not that wide. This is too wide. Okay, go ahead and do your, okay, we're going to move on to the F. Everybody, what sound does F make? So, is there something blocking us? Is our mouths open like this? Can I make an F sound with my mouth open? No, so it's not a vowel, it's a consonant, because there's something blocking my mouth. Do you see that? Okay, so watch me. Is it a stop or a continuant? Continuant, because it does not just stop on itself. So, is it voiced or unvoiced?
Unvoiced.
Listen, go ahead and, do you feel it?
Unvoiced.
Unvoiced. We found our fish right here. Very good. So, everybody, active listening. So your hands are off your paper. Your eyes are up here. Wait till I see everyone's eyes. I'm still waiting, Rogelio. Okay. Do you see the dot?
Yes.
Okay, the dot. You're going to go, is it touching the skyline, the dot?
Yes.
No. No, it's below the skyline. You're going to come up, hit that skyline, kind of like a ball, bounce, and then go all the way to the ground. Okay, it's kind of like a little mini candy cane. Is this dot touching the sky or the plane line? No. We'll go over that. Then you're going to make a little tiny cross just like that. Is this an F? No. It does kind of look like a P. That, you don't want to make that so low. It starts right here at this dot, comes up, bounces off the sky, and goes straight back down and over. Okay? Is this an F?
No.
I started at the dot. What's wrong with it? It's too short. It doesn't come up. It needs to go up to touch the skyline. Is this an F?
No.
It's floating. Do I like floating letters?
No.
No, we are all on the ground. It needs to touch the ground, okay?
You hate floating.
Okay, ready? Let's go to the capital F. No paper on the paper yet. Okay, we're gonna start at that dot on the what line?
Skyline.
Skyline. All capital letters touch that skyline. We're starting there, going straight down. Pick up our pen, and we're gonna go line up on the skyline and a little line on the plane line. Is this an F?
No.
No.
It looks like a T.
It does look like a T. So it doesn't look like a T. We don't want to pass it. This does not pass, right? It goes right. It just touches it right there. It does not cross. It just touches. Is this an F?
No.
No, we need to make sure they touch. Okay, all letters need to touch. Okay, we want to go straight down,
It's floating.
over, and over. Also, no floating ones. Is this an F?
No.
Floating. Okay, go ahead and write your F's. Okay, our last one is V. Everybody, what sound does V make? Okay, and stop. Is there something stopping my mouth? Do I have to move my mouth down to make it kind of touch to make the sound? Yes, you do. Okay, it's not a it's a okay? So which board will it be on? Which board? It's a consonant. Is it a stop or a continuant? It's a continuant. Okay, is it voiced or unvoiced? Feel it. Do you feel your voice box? Yes, you do. So we are under the voiced. And look at that. We found our volcano. So it is there. Everybody is actively listening. Ready? Okay. So are you writing right now? Shouldn't be. Your eyes are up here. I'm sure you guys are very good at these, but we're going to practice them anyways. So you start at the dot. Where's the dot? On the lowercase v, where's the dot? You can't see it where I'm covering it. It's on which line?
The plane line.
The plane line. We're going to start at the plane line. We're going to bounce like a ball and come back up. So hit that ground and come back up to the plane. Is this a V?
No.
Is this a V?
No.
Is this a V? No. Wait, what about this though?
Yeah.
It's kind of squishy. What about this?
No.
That's just too wide. So you need to make it so that it looks just like this, just the right angle. Okay? Next one, same thing. We're starting at what line though?
Skyline.
The skyline. Actively listening. You're looking up at the board. No pencils yet. Okay. You're starting at the sky, not the plane. The skyline. Going all the way down to that ground and bouncing back up. Okay? Is this a V?
No. It's
No.
floating.
It's floating. No floating letters. Okay. What about this? It's still floating. What about this? It's a little squishy. What about this? That's too wide. So keep your V's at a nice angle. Angle is the angle.